from the lush embrace of tropical rainforests to the sun-scorched breath of the desert, from towering ancient mountains to the boundless sweep of golden grasslands, the rains arrive and vanish like a whispered secret, leaving behind wide-open skies and cracked, thirsty soil. This is the African savanna, where earth and sky stretch into eternity, a land of searing contrast, where the brittle grass lies like a faded tapestry across the land. But beneath this stillness, life pulses, fierce and unstoppable. Every dawn ignites a brutal rhythm. Predators glide through the shadows like wind through reeds, and the hunted always on edge. Every heartbeat counts. Here, survival isn't just instinct. It's war forged in steel. Only the toughest endure. Only the strongest carry on. Welcome to Wild Savanna Survival Stories from the heart of Africa. With the first kiss of sunlight, the savanna ignites. Awash in blazing orange, a new day begins. But tranquility is a myth. The eternal cycle of life and death spins on. Light and shadow locked in endless combat, each trying to conquer the other. In the tropical savanna, the Great March begins. Millions of wildebeest move like ancient pilgrims, searching for water. In their wake, lions stalk silently in tall grass, waiting, watching like ghosts from another world. Farther south, in the temperate savanna, zebras and wildebeest face, cunning foes, African wild dogs, leopards, shadows in the brittle brush. This land tests not just strength, but patience and will. Beneath the mirrored surface of the rivers, another ambush waits. Crocodiles, silent and still, await the annual crossing. Only 7 in 10 zebras will survive the water's gauntlet. Here, every breath, every move is guided by instinct or fate. African wild dogs are now teetering on the edge of extinction, with fewer than 6,000 individuals remaining across Africa. In the Mumbo woodlands, their population is down to just 500 to 600 as of 2023. A stark reminder of the urgent need for stronger conservation measures to safeguard the future of this extraordinary predator. Departing from the dry forests and vast grasslands of central Zambia, our journey takes us westward into a striking ecological transition zone, the Guinean Forest Savanna Mosaic. This region, where forest and savanna merge in sweeping harmony, spans Guinea, Sierra Leone, Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, and Togo. It is one of the rare landscapes on Earth where 2 contrasting ecosystems exist side by side. As the dry season settles, over the mosaic, the ran antelope Hippotragus equinus faces a brutal test of endurance. Its population here is estimated at around 8,000 as of 2024. These graceful antelopes, with their light brown coats and elegantly curved horns, are icons of resilience. They traverse the sparse forests and golden plains, consuming grasses and shrubs, some of which are inedible to other animals. This dietary flexibility allows them to endure long dry spells when much of the vegetation disappears and the ground begins to crack beneath the heat. Roaming alongside them, hidden in the forest shadows or gliding across open grassland, is one of Africa's most stealthy hunters, the leopard pantherus. Masterfully adapted to both forest and savanna environments, Leopards blend seamlessly into their surroundings. These agile predators hunt a wide range of prey, from antelopes and gazelles to monkeys and birds. Under cover of night, they rely on patience, camouflage, and silence. Their vision pierces the darkness, and with explosive speed, reaching up to 35 miles per hour, they strike with deadly precision. Once a kill is made, leopards often haul their prey into trees, avoiding scavengers like lions and hyenas. Yet, even this elusive predator faces peril. A 2023 Panthithera report estimates that only 2,500 leopards remain in this region. Their numbers are in sharp decline due to habitat destruction and illegal hunting. As forests are cleared for logging and farming, leopards are forced into open savannas where they face increased threats from humans. Continuing east, we enter the Somalia Acacia Kapora bushlands and thickets, a harsh semi-arid region spanning northeastern Kenya, southeastern Ethiopia, and much of Somalia. Here, rainfall is erratic. Temperatures often soar between 77 and 86. And thorny vegetation dominates the rugged terrain. Despite the harshness, life persists. Acacia and Komora trees, tough and drought-resistant, stand as anchors of the ecosystem, offering food and shelter. The animals here have evolved unique strategies to survive these punishing conditions. Among them is the greavy zebra equus greavy, the rarest and largest of the zebra species. Only 2,800 individuals remain as of 2023, making it critically endangered. These zebras can reach 5 feet in height, or with narrow stripes and oversized ears that aid hearing and temperature regulation. Brave zebras have adapted to life in scarcity. They survive on dry grasses and are capable of going long stretches without water. Moving in small herds, they cover vast distances to find food and hydration, while also playing a vital ecological role by maintaining the balance of grassland. Vegetation. Under the moonlight, the desert awakens. One of its smallest, yet most uniquely adapted hunters emerges, the bat-eared fox or Toyon megalotus. Its large ears, shaped like satellite dishes, are highly sensitive, capable of detecting the slightest underground movement. Termites make up nearly 80% of its diet. A 2023 study found that bat-eared foxes have developed ears that are 10% larger than in previous generations, a remarkable adaptation to an increasingly dry world. These enhanced ears allow them to forage more efficiently during droughts when prey is more difficult to find. But in this same environment, it is the striped hyena that stands as the dominant carnivore. With powerful forelegs and a distinctive striped coat, these hardy predators are perfectly adapted to the thorny terrain. Unlike their larger spotted cousins, striped hyenas are smaller, but equally formidable. They are mostly nocturnal, emerging after dusk to scavenge and hunt. Renowned for their role as nature's cleanup crew, they help prevent disease by consuming decaying carcasses, playing a critical role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Across Africa's wildest edges, survival depends on adaptation, resilience, and balance. But now the balance is tipping and the time to act is running out. The IUCN classifies this species as near-threatened with fewer than 10,000 mature individuals, estimated worldwide. In the Somali Acacia Kamapora bushlands, where scattered shrubs and dry grasses bake under the relentless sun, lives the unique jinn. Its exceptional adaptations allow it to conserve energy, minimize water loss, and regulate body temperature efficiently. It even adjusts its metabolism to survive the harshest conditions. Also inhabiting these savannas is the hardy East African oryx, or oryx macer. With a gleaming white coat that shines under the sun and long sharp horns resembling swords, the oryx is well prepared for survival. As evening falls and the scorching heat eases, oryx emerge to feed. Their nighttime activity helps reduce water loss and takes advantage of cooler air. As the dry season deepens and grasses disappear, the oryx turns to drought-resistant shrubs like acacia and kamura. Thanks to a robust digestive system, they extract nutrients from tough vegetation, often going weeks or months without water. Research from 2023 shows oryx also pull moisture from dried leaves, maximizing every available resource. Their ability to regulate body temperature allows them to endure extreme heat, sometimes reaching 116 F, reducing water loss, a vital skill in such an arid land. But the oryx's true strength shines when defending themselves against predators like lions and leopards. With their long, sharp horns, they can fend off attacks. And there are many accounts of oryx forcing even the fiercest predators to retreat. The Somali Acacia Commiphora bushlands also shelter notable birds such as the ostrich, Struthio camelus, and the Somali ostrich Struthio maladanes. The ostrich, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing up to 340 pounds, is the largest living bird and often described as a living dinosaur. Ostriches withstand the intense heat by regulating their body temperature and using their lightweight feathers as a natural cooling system to quickly shed heat. Studies from 2023 reveal they can survive long periods without direct water intake by extracting moisture from the plants they eat. They also minimize water loss through breathing and urination during the hottest parts of the day, resting mostly in the shade. Though flightless, ostriches are swift runners capable of speeds up to 40 miles per hour and able to sustain 34 miles per hour over distances. If threatened, their powerful kicks can cause serious injury, even deterring large predators like lions or cheetahs with a single strike. Encircling Lake Victoria, like a vast natural belt, lies the Victoria Basin Forest Savanna Mosaic. Lake Victoria, Africa's largest freshwater lake, is often called the continent's beating heart, supporting millions of species. Here, dense rainforests meet expansive savas, creating a place where ecosystems blend seamlessly. The tropical climate brings short rainy seasons and extended dry periods, causing the landscape to shift in harmony with the natural cycles. This region is home to the Rothschild's giraffe. Giraffa camelopardalis Rothschild, the rarest subspecies of giraffe worldwide. As of 2024, only about 800 individuals remain. Their pale coats are marked with patterns that stop above the legs, making them easily recognizable. Standing nearly 19 feet tall, Rothschild's giraffes are the tallest giraffe subspecies and notable for their 5 oikoneses, horn-like structures few other giraffes have. More than majestic creatures, Rothschild's giraffes serve as vital gardeners of the savanna. Feeding mainly on acacia and camarora leaves, they help control vegetation growth, ensuring sunlight reaches plants below and supporting biodiversity. Their presence maintains the balance of this ecosystem. Besides their ecological importance, Rothschild's giraffes play a key role in sustainable ecotourism. According to WWF, ecotourism supports conservation by generating income for local communities and funding wildlife protection efforts. Observing these giraffes allows people to connect with nature and understand the importance of every species in preserving our world. Across the vast grasslands of the Victoria Basin, the Topidimaliscus lunatus chimla moves with the confidence of a season. Their reddish-brown coats and distinctive black markings help them blend seamlessly into the savanna. Golden grass and dusty earth blend perfectly, creating nature's camouflage with strong muscles and long legs. Topis are among the fastest antelopes, roaming the savanna, able to sprint up to 43 miles per hour. They easily outrun fierce predators like lions and leopards. Topis are migratory, traveling to find lush grasslands and reliable water near Lake Victoria during long dry seasons. Usually they move in herds of 20 to 40, but during breeding or migration, these groups swell into the hundreds. This is a remarkable display of unity, where the herd stands together, guarding one another from danger. Leaving behind the sunlit tropical savannas with their unpredictable rains, we enter the temperate savanna, a land marked by wet summers and dry winters. This shift brings a different rhythm to the landscape, creating a unique ecosystem within nature's endless symphony. Spanning southern Africa, from Kruger National Park to Palanisberg and Kagolagardi, the temperate savanna is home to tall grasses and hardy shrubs like acacia, tortillas, and kamam, thriving despite dry soil and wildfires. Here life perseveres through challenge. Every creature carries a story of resilience and strength. Among the icons of this region is the white rhinoceros, known scientifically as Certherum simum. It's the largest of the 5 rhinoceros species alive today, weighing as much as 5,500 pounds and stretching up to 13 feet in length. The white rhino is second only to elephants among land mammals. Its broad, square mouth is perfectly designed to graze on short grasses. Two keratin horns on its snout made of the same material as human hair and nails are its most striking feature. The front horn, longest in large bulls, can reach up to 65 in and weigh nearly 9 pounds. These horns are vital tools for defense, but also make the rhino a target for poachers. Once on the brink of extinction, with fewer than 20 remaining in the late 19th century, white rhinos have staged an incredible comeback thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. As of 2023, around 18,000 white rhinos roam Africa, eating up to 265 pounds of grass daily. White rhinos play a crucial role in maintaining the savanna's balance. By preventing grass from overgrowing, they encourage plant diversity and create habitats for countless other species. Most live in Kruger and Kalahari national parks, where wet summers and dry winters foster ideal grasslands.